I'm back. Oh my gosh, I get so stupid like when I haven't recorded in forever, so forgive me for being like super giddy, but I missed you guys. I always take these little hiatuses. They're much needed hiatuses, but it's always like crazy when you come back after not recording for a while. But I'm super excited to be back, and today I'm sharing my go-to hairstyle. This is my weekend hair. I wear this hairstyle. I wear my hair out on the weekends. I keep it twisted up during the week. So yeah, just wanted to share with you guys how I get this voluminous curly fro, if you will, on my fine hair. The one thing I love about it the most is that it gets better each day I wear it out. So it gets bigger and it just looks better and better every single day. So this is day one. The products I used to create this style was my Kinky Shea Butter moisturizing curl activator cream. Most of you already know this is one of my staple products. I also use whipped shea butter to seal, which is a homemade whipped shea butter. The biggest key to this hairstyle is separate, separate, separate. So you're going to do a lot of separating to achieve this look. To give this style a little more stretch, I actually braided the roots and then twisted the rest of the way down. So probably about a quarter of the way down the twist, I actually braided from the roots and then twisted it the rest of the way. So that is one way to stretch your hair out more and to give it a more lengthy look. It moves, it's not stiff, and I am just having fun with my hair, y'all. I swear, I do not regret my decision to go natural, not one bit. But yes, I absolutely love this style. You can do so many things with it. You can wear it parted in the middle like this. This way you can take, you know, something up here and do like a little bun up top. You know, so it's a very versatile style. You know, once it starts to get old, you can put it in a pineapple. I'm gonna fix this back the way I had it. But in the meantime, you guys can go watch the tutorial. I'll see you on my next video.